vocabulary 是老师吗？不，学生也人中国北京美国纽约。好，跟我读 repeat after me 是老师妈不学生也人中国北京美国纽约好，你是美国人吗？ So let's go over some grammar points. 是 means to be, can be am as are was were. 你是老师吗？我是老师。李友是学生。李友 is the name. 李友是学生。是 is negative with 不。王鹏不是美国人。So if 不 combined with a word 是 has a downfalling tone, which is the fourth tone, it becomes the second tone. So 不是不 you can see is the second tone. Ma is the yes or no particle. So basically it means if you put ma in the end of a statement, it will become a question. 你是老师 means you are a teacher. 你是老师吗 become are you a teacher? 我是老师，我不是老师。So you have two ways to answer it. You can say 我是 I am. 我不是 I am not. So ma, it's very easy. You put it after a statement. It forms a what kind of question? Right, a yes or no question. Next one. 你姓王吗？你姓王吗？我姓王，我不姓王。Okay, where do you put 不 if you want to make the sentence negative? Yes, you put it in front of the verb. So you can say 我不姓王. It's the reverse way as English. English you will say I am not. But in Mandarin you will put I not in the verb. 我不姓王. Okay, so very easy. The negative verb 不. So you put 不 in front of a verb. 我不是北京人，李友不是中国人，老师不姓王，我不叫李忠。Alright, next grammar point. 也 means also. So 也，我也是学生。I am a student too. 王鹏是学生，李友也是学生。你是中国人，我也是中国人。So where do you put 也 in the grammar points? You put 也 in front of the verb. 是。You don't put 也 in the end of a sentence. It's a big no-no. So you put 也 after the pronoun or in front of the verb. 我也是学生。So same thing if it's negative. You put it in front of 不是。王鹏不是老师，李友也不是老师。You put 也 in front of the whole negative verb 不是。Okay? Next example. 你不是纽约人，我也不是纽约人。我也不是纽约人。Okay, exercise. Please record your voice to this question. 王鹏是学生。王鹏是学生，你呢？我也是学生。Okay, please record your voice for this question too. 李友是美国人，你呢？李友不是老师，你呢？ Okay. So, language practice. I will be the student A to ask the question. You will be the student B to answer the question and record yourself. Okay? 王鹏是学生吗？王鹏是学生。This is an example for you. Okay, let's start. 李友是 美国人吗？王鹏是中国人吗？李友是美国学生吗？王鹏是北京人吗？李友是纽约人吗？你是学生吗？ Okay, the second part for the speaking practice, I will give you an example first, then I will ask the question, and you are going to answer the question, use 是 or 不是 in a full sentence. Okay? 李小姐叫李鹏吗？李小姐不叫李鹏。Let's start. 李友是中国人吗？王鹏，你是王鹏吗？王鹏是纽约人吗？王先生叫王友吗？你叫李友吗？ Last speaking exercise. What about you? So in pairs, I will be A, asking the question, and you answer the question. Ask and answer the following questions with a partner using 也 where appropriate. 王鹏是中国人，你也是中国人吗？ Number 2. 李友是纽约人，你也是纽约人吗？王鹏不是老师，你呢？李友不是中国人，你呢？王鹏姓王，你也姓王吗？好的 So this is the end of today's practice. Please record your answer for C, D, and E in a separate video on Seesaw or send it my way. OK, 谢谢，再见。